Right now, there's a version of you stuck in mediocrity, scrolling, doubting, procrastinating. But in just 20 days, you could transform yourself into someone unstoppable, someone who owns their time, their choices, and their future. The question is, will you take the leap? You've felt it, haven't you? That creeping anxiety when the credit card bill hits, the panic of feeling stuck in a cycle you can't escape, time slipping through your fingers while your goals remain just dreams. Every second, you're either building your future or letting it slip away. But here's the scary part. If you do nothing now, 5 years from today, you'll still be the same or worse. But here's the good news. Change doesn't take years. It takes action. And in just 20 days, you can set a foundation that changes everything. Day 1 is clarity, writing down exactly where you want to be in 5 years. Day 2 is cutting out distractions, every toxic habit that wastes your time and money. By day 10, you'll start to feel the shift. Your mindset sharpens. Your bank account grows because you've mastered the art of saying no to useless spending. And by day 20, you'll be someone people look up to, confident, focused, unstoppable. But here's the catch. Only you can make this happen. If you don't act, nothing changes. The clock is ticking. Start your 20-day transformation now. Write down one action you'll take today. Commit to it. Because in 20 days, your future self will either thank you or wonder why you didn't try.